Okay, you know, let's get into it. We're thirsty. And we are about to get into something nice and tequila-y.
Yep, first shoot of the year for 2023. So what better way is to start with tequila?
I know.
My favorite.
This is her zone. So I respect it. I dabble in tequila, like don't get me wrong, but it's just not my comfort zone all the time. Nonetheless, it's about to get lit, okay?
There we go.
So we have 3 recipes that are relatively easy ingredients, and tasty, and hopefully something that you haven't necessarily seen a lot of before, okay?
I don't think so. They're not ready for this.
Right. Full disclosure, the one ingredient that is in this lovely recipe, which is called Lolita, okay, that I could not locate was Tangine, okay? That was for the rim, okay? Just the whole grocery system failed me, okay? And so even though I went far and wide, and I searched everywhere, I really couldn't find it. So we just did a traditional salt rim, but I encourage you to read the ingredient list below, and if you are able to find Tangine, definitely try this recipe with that. That being said, let's let the people know what they need to get to make this recipe, and then let's get to mixing, okay? You're gonna need a Blanco Tequila, whatever tequila you want, okay, whatever Blanco Tequila you want. I got the budget brand, okay, but I heard it's good. I heard it's good. You're gonna want some bitters, some Angostura beer. I know that's not how you say it, but we'll spell it out. Angostura Bitters. It's the bitters. Everybody know this bottle. You've seen the bottle, okay? Don't clown me too much.
Angostura.
I'm
not gonna mess with it.
I said Anacostia last week, so this is an improvement. Okay. We don't want those type of bitters. I don't think that's gonna.
I know this one though. This one's honey.
Yeah. Honey, okay. And we have some limes cut up because we're gonna squeeze some lime juice and also have it for a garnish. And then you want whatever vessel of choice that you are going to be using, some ice, and the rim already prepared, okay? And we like light ice here because why? See, Britt don't even have no ice. She said, I'm gonna strain it anyway, it's gonna be cool. So, you know, it's cool.
It's cool.
Whatever you feel like, okay?
My ancestors spoke to me.
The ancestors spoke. So you're gonna want your shaker with some ice in it. Now that part you are gonna want, okay? And let's start with our tequila. Okay, you're gonna want 2 ounces of this, or once again, whatever the ancestors tell you, because you might have had a crazy week and you know, so you just need to lush it up. So get into whatever you need to do with that, okay?
But if you're gonna follow all 3 drinks, I think you might wanna take it easy.
You might, unless you're home, because then you could just take a nap. Okay, so, you know, whatever works for you. Then you're gonna want about 3/4 ounces of honey. I use the eyeball test.
Don't we all?
You know, some folks, you know, they just, they actually measure it out, and God bless them, you know, that's lovely for them. Let me do my lime first. So we're gonna have about 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime.
Whatever that means.
And yeah, I know they be having the fancy squeezers, but we over here using hand scrimp.
Oh goodness.
Child, and that's might be failing us a little bit. Well, I can't speak for you. I don't know. You might be doing a little bit better than I am.
I'm struggling now. My hand's getting slippery.
Whatever. It might not be very limey because, you know, that's just how that worked out.
Right.
Okay. And then 2 dashes of our bitters. Okay, wow.
Wow.
That dashed onto my phone. Be careful. Okay. I'll wipe that later.
Yeah.
That's too bad. I know. And then you're just gonna want to shake. Ooh, shake, shake, shake. You know, you can tell I've been resting. Shake, shake, shake.
It smells good.
It does. It smells refreshing. Okay. And then you're gonna strain it over your ice or your naked glass if you're Brittany.
I'm naked. It's giving a nice little color.
Yeah. She's cute.
Okay.
good grief, just a mess over on my zone. You know, things might get messy. That's okay.
Sis, how much tequila did you get? Why's mine's a little darker than yours? Baby, I put too much bitter in it.
I did say 2 dashes.
Oh, I was dashing through the snow.
Oh, well, then in that case,
my bad.
You know, and by the way, that's okay. Like, however your drink turns out, as long as it's strong and tasty. Maybe if you probably want it to be tasty too.
Yeah.
Then you good. All right. Okay. Should we just should we taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers.
I'm a little jealous. Yours a little clearer. Woo, child. I definitely taste tequila in this.
The tequila is prominent.
The Lolita is a strong one. All her life, she had to fight.
She definitely been through some things, okay, in her past. I'm gonna tell you this though. For some reason, I thought that the honey would mellow it out, maybe just a tinge more.
Maybe we didn't put enough in it.
Again, we did do the eye test, and
we do heavy on the liquor part.
You know, it's now, you know, okay, so let's do it by the book. Let's give it a formal rating. So you can start. What is your rating on it?
Well, Lolita, I'm going to give you, but before I give you my rating, this is why I'm going to give the rating. The rating for me, it's based off of taste, presentation, and things of that nature. So the taste, if you don't like to taste your liquor, this might not be the one for you. It's not fruity. It's not nothing of that. You got a hint of a little bit of the bitter, and you barely taste the honey. And if anything, you taste the tequila. So if you're not a fan of tasting your liquor, this is not it for you. So I'm gonna give 2 ratings. For somebody who likes to taste their liquor, I'm gonna give this a 6. For somebody who
doesn't like to taste.
There you go. Lolita was kicking in. I'm sorry. Wow, I lost my train of thought. People who don't like the, their liquor, then I would give this probably about a 3 or 4. Cause yeah. What about you, sis?
Okay, so I think we're pretty much in alignment, and I'm going to use the same breakdown that you use just to be statistically correct, okay? So for liquor drinkers, so you love to taste your liquor, I'm going to give it about a 6 or a 6.5. I think it has potential to be a great cocktail. But I'm not sure you want to be drinking these by the pool, because I think that you're going to be in a Freaknik situation. I think that's where things are going to head, you know, if you are not careful, okay? So again, to me, this is like, even for liquor drinkers, this is probably like I'm going to have one at night and then maybe watch something and doze off. Or drink a massive amount of water with it.
Something.
Now, if you are a non-liquor drinker, I'm gonna rate this a 1. You're not gonna like this at all, because it's very tequila prominent. And I feel like in my soul that
not your soul.
In my soul, I feel that if I gave this to one of my friends who is a lightweight, they would never ever trust me to make them a drink again. They would be like, this is a setup. Why did you do this to me? So, you know, she looks very cute, okay? Sis is very cute. I do think that there's potential, like maybe if we had actually done by the measurements, maybe that honey, maybe we would have had more honey.
Maybe
and the honey,
we had that tangent.
Yeah, because maybe that would have offset some of the taste. You know, because keep in mind, we substituted with what we had, and you know, sometimes that's when you substitute from a recipe that you find, you can't always be mad if it doesn't necessarily taste or live up to what you were imagining it to do.
I definitely agree with that. Definitely.
Yeah. So
mean, it's good because we like our liquor.
We do.
But
you know what this tastes like? This tastes like when I went to Vegas for the first time and messed around and had one of them 32-ounce margarita joints at the pool.
Child. All in one little setting?
And I didn't remember.
Well, clearly I didn't remember after the second rating. I mean, the first rating, so there's that. Lolita, she's a strong woman. I will say that. At the end of the day, she's a strong woman. Big up to you.
She did that thing. So when we come back, we are going to try something a little different, but still with the Blanco Tequila.
A little class, a little something.
You know. So we'll be back with that.